The rare sight of two lion cubs was unexpected. They were imitating the scene of male lion. A herd of lions in the afternoon resting and looking after their cubs in their territory after a day of adventure. This is the lion family we are talking about. In their herd, there are lionesses who have cubs. Their cubs are not the same age. They are adults.
Cause we got that
Young lion something interesting to look at when they get together, especially seeing their adorable lion cubs. The youngest lion cubs usually play with their mother more. All the lion cubs played after drinking the milk. They happily jump and run. And the grown lion cubs watch their cousin play. Sometimes he plays too. But not all lion cubs are agile. Some of them are sleepy after drinking milk. This one lion cub just watching his brother. A few minutes pass. All the lion cubs seems to be getting tired of playing. They are now silent while sitting next to the mother. This lion cub doesn't want to play with his cousin. In this footage, his mother seems to be telling him to go play with the other cubs. One of the lion cubs, something caught our attention. He got up walking around the mound to corner his sleepy sister. I don't know what he's planning. Oh no, what is he doing? Did you know? People say children copy the example set by their parents. It seems lion cubs follow a similar suit with the pride in their males. Hopefully, as he gets bigger, he will choose someone more fitting than his sister to mate with. Yeah, that was video. Lion cub copy the example by their parents. Thank you for watching.